Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm very happy to get this opportunity to say something about my best friend. Friends are important part of everyone's life. A friend is someone with whom you can share your joys and sorrows. A best friend is a blessing who knows you inside out and loves you. I have many friends. Among them, Shivli is my best friend. Her full name is Shivli Khatun. She is 19 years old. She lives in Nauga. She completed her SSC and HSC examination from Al Halal Islamic Academy, Shapahar. Now, she studied at the Department of English in Russia University. She is from a nuclear family. There are 4 members in her family, her father, her mother, and her younger sister. Her father's name is Niamot Ali, and he is a teacher. Her mother's name is Aklima Khatun, and she is a homemaker. She is a very good cook. She cooks delicious food for her family. And her younger sister reads in class 9. In future, Shivli would like to be an ideal teacher. She is very much fond of traveling. She loves to travel by train. Besides traveling, she loves to read books. Her favorite writer is Humayun Ahmed. She loves to eat all kinds of traditional food. Her favorite dish is biryani. Also, her favorite hobby is gardening. She has a beautiful flower garden because she loves flower. In her free time, she loves listening music. She is very friendly. She is very kindly and helpful. She likes helping poor people and dislikes telling lies. I know her from my childhood and have lots of memories together. She loves me a lot and I also love her. Now we live in different places. That's why I miss her so much. Well, that's all about my best friend for the time being. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.